Hello and welcome to the Django GraphQL Query Fundamentals course. My name is Xander. This tutorial is part of a whole course playlist available for free on YouTube. For deeper learning, the extended course is available for purchase at Udemy. Now you'll find all the resources and links in the video description. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for weekly promotions, discounts, and Udemy course giveaways. In this short tutorial, I'll walk you through the database schema for our Django project using our ERD, our entity relationship diagram. We'll use the diagram to get a clear picture of how the data is structured, how tables relate to one another, and what we're building towards. Connected to this tutorial and the module introduction will be a link to Lucidchart, where you'll be able to view the entity relationship diagram for the database that we're going to develop in this course. You can access Lucid for free, so sign up, log in, and access this file, and then go ahead and use File, make a copy to make your own copy, and then you can go ahead and edit it and make any changes. So this is called an ERD, an entity relationship diagram. It's a visual way to understand how the data in our project is structured. Now each box here represents a table in the database, or in Django terms, a model. Inside each box or entity, you will see three sections. The first section identifies the type of key. So we have PK for primary key, FK for foreign key, and AK for alternative key. So these are unique fields, but they are not primary keys. We then can see the middle column, which is the name of the field that we need to create to build this table in the database. And then on the right hand side is the data type that's associated to each field. So the data type specifies the type of data that will be stored in the field. Now this ERD is modeling a relational database. There is relationships between the tables in our database. So these lines will indicate the relationship between tables as well as the type of relationship. So this crow's foot that we can see here, that indicates a many type of relationship. And on this side here, we have a 1 or a line which represents a 1. So this helps us identify the type of relationship we have between entities. So here between the promotion events and the product promotion events table, we have a 1 to many relationship, which means that for one promotion event record, then it might be associated to multiple product promotion event records. Here we have category and product. So for one category might be associated to multiple products. So we have the crow's foot here on the product end, indicating the many. So this diagram is useful because it gives us a full picture of how everything connects and what it is that we need to build. So we'll use this structure to define our Django models in code.